Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Salesforce data validation rules for opportunities, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update Salesforce data validation rules for opportunities, first, log into your Salesforce account. Once you are on the home page, navigate to the Setup menu located at the top right corner. In the Quick Find box, type Object Manager and select it from the drop-down. From the Object Manager, scroll down and locate Opportunity in the list of objects. Click on Opportunity to access its settings. In the left sidebar, find and click on Validation Rules. You will see a list of existing validation rules for the Opportunity object. To create a new validation rule, click the New button. In the Rule Name field, enter a descriptive name for your validation rule. In the description field, provide a brief explanation of what this rule does. Next, focus on the Error Condition Formula section. Here, you will input the formula that determines when the validation rule is triggered. Utilize Salesforce functions and operators to create your condition. Scroll down to the Error Message section and enter a clear message that will display when the rule is violated. You can choose to display this message at the top of the page or next to a specific field. Once you have completed all fields, click the Save button to finalize your validation rule. To activate the new validation rule, ensure that Active checkbox is checked. You can also edit existing validation rules by selecting them from the list and making necessary changes. After making updates, remember to click Save again. To test the validation rule, navigate to the Opportunities tab. Create a new opportunity or edit an existing one to see if the validation rule works as expected. If the rule is triggered, the error message you defined will appear. If everything looks good, your Salesforce data validation rule for opportunities is now successfully updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.